Hey guys, thanks for joining us today. Mike here at WeBe Autos. Today we have a 1988 Ford McLaren, or McLaren as they call it. It's derived from a Mustang GT and modified by McLaren. It's number 166. We got tons of receipts for this car. Not 100% correct. Doesn't have the right wheels on it, but they're obtainable. It's a company in Florida that sells all the parts. Brand new tires, tune up. Plugs, wires, AC blows nice and cold. It's not perfect. I'm not gonna ask perfect money for it. Paint shines real nice. Just have some spots and stuff here and there. Great. Showing 62,854 miles. 162. Check the Carfax. Tons of receipts. Loaded with receipts. She is 5.0, all stock under here. Runs real nice. Factory headers. Top needs a window. Well guys, thanks for joining us today. Again, my name is Mike from WeBe Autos. Feel free to give me a call. I'm at 631-339-0399. Also check out more pictures and information on our website, webeautos.com.